according to Zillow, about 76% of us would rather renovate than relocate. That's basically all of us. So everyone, listen up, because there is a renovation that doesn't break the bank, takes only days to do, and doubles its value if you sell your house. So what is this holy grail of home improvement?
It's the garage door!
Andy Couture from Overhead Door, welcome to Designing Spaces.
Thank you, Judith. It's so wonderful to be here.
Why should we give our garage and our garage door a little more love in terms of design, safety?
Well, in today's busy families, the access point to the home is the garage door. So not only having it energy efficient, but also having it hurricane safe and weather ready, as well as all the extra features I'm going to show you today with safety, reversing systems, and being able to have a smart home access solution. Having that smart home technology, being able to open your door from anywhere in the home, but also anywhere in the world.
Smart home access. And what about curb appeal?
Curb appeal is huge. That's the #1 return on investment today for the home when someone sells their home.
And what about the extra square footage?
Absolutely. So now if you work in your garage or you entertain in your garage, you have an energy efficient point. So whether it's cooled or heated, it keeps it comfortable all year long.
So many different reasons to use your garage for what it's worth. Okay, Andy, so once you decide you're going to get a new garage door, what is the first step?
So the first thing I look at is, are there any codes in the area that they live that they have to be in compliance with? The second thing is I understand what kind of maintenance the customer wants to do. Some customers don't mind painting a door. Some like to stain a door. We have a lot of doors, so they have a lot of options, from curb appeal to look designs to fill, again, that maintenance, and then all the safety options that you can upgrade to make that door the best for their home.
And the smartest door. Overhead Door really is the leader in garage doors. It's been around for how many years at this point?
Oh, we started in 1921.
What are some of the most popular choices that people are making today in terms of design?
So as far as design, they want the look of wood without the maintenance. But look at these. You actually get
They look like wood grain.
real wood.
How long should you expect your garage door, a new garage door, to last?
So we expect a new door to last 10 to 20 years.
Okay, so for this home, what would you suggest in terms of the grain and the color? I think a nice rich dark color with some windows maybe.
I think a window pattern with impact rated windows, because we are in Florida today. But yeah, something like one of these would just, the curb appeal alone will just make the house pop.
Andy, one of the things that I am terrified of is making a final choice.
I have a tool that I say it gives you a glimpse into the future.
Show me, please.
So we have this door view, and basically I can take and upload a picture of the home, and you can actually choose one of our doors and what it's going to look like.
You're sounding like you're speaking my tune right now. And it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see it.
Me neither. Let's place the order today.
Okay, so we've made our choices, and now it's time to see how we're going to go from garage door drab to garage door fab. This is Steve, my contractor.
How you doing?
Good. So what are some of the reasons or some of the things that a new garage door offers that an old one just can't?
Older doors are not going to be up to the same win rating that today's doors are going to be. So it's really about safety, efficiency, quietness. A lot of these garage doors are now a belt drive, so you don't hear the old chain rattling back and forth. The door that's going in is also an insulated door.
So describe now your relationship with Overhead Door.
We have been doing business with Overhead Door for over 20 years. Overhead Door Company is an amazing company to work with, and we've been proud to do so.
All right, we'll let you guys get to it.
Right.
Thank you for the little update on the garage door, and we can't wait to see it finished.
Thank you so much.
Andy, I'm so excited. Our installation's all done. Just to remind everyone, this is how the house looked and the garage door looked before. And here's the reveal. It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness. What is this door, first of all?
So this door is our Thermacore model 5745, wind load rated and impact rated. The nice thing about it too is the windows are impact rated, and just a lot of features with the smart home technology that we added into it. It has the OHD Anywhere technology to where you're allowed to let people in your home easy and safely.
Is this one of the more popular finishes?
It is. This is the bi-directional finish, and it just looks amazing.
Beautiful, beautiful. So for anyone who wants to do a beautiful garage renovation, where can they find out more about Overhead Door?
At overheaddoor.com.
And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. Andy, let's open it up. What do you say?
Excited.